Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda and today I'll be sharing my full experience with lip neutralizing, what it is, why I did it, and my honest thoughts on the results. Just a bit of background, I've always been someone that has had uneven and dark lips as far as I've known. Now I'm not also saying that hyperpigmentation and dark lips is a bad thing, but for me I was super insecure about it and I didn't know that there was an actual cure for it. No balm, no scrubs, nothing helped until I found out that I can get my lips neutralized. Before we get into any juicy details, let's get into the studio.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already, so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces.
The location is absolutely stunning and it's close to Fulham Broadway, just a few minutes from Fulham Broadway. You can also access it by getting off Imperial Wharf. I was so proud of seeing the new location, but let's get into this treatment.
I'm mixing a few colors.
Okay, lovely. Like, how do you select the color, like based on your patients? Like, it depends, right?
Depends on your inner pink color
Mm-hmm.
and your undertone,
Mm-hmm.
and depending. So what I like to see is even background.
Mm-hmm.
So you know how dark lips, they have the inner pink color.
Mm-hmm.
When I'm putting your numbing cream, I'm basically seeing your color. And because I've been doing this for so long, I know what type
You
of
know
color.
exactly what colors are for the person. So it's not like I could say, oh, I use these colors on me, and so I could tell someone else and it would be the same. Yeah.
Everyone has their own DNA.
Mhm.
Everyone has their own color.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very important what type of color we use, because for example,
Mhm.
when you wear red lipstick,
Mhm.
you immediately look more dull and darker,
mhm.
unless you're wearing foundation, concealer and everything. But day-to-day basis,
Mm-hmm.
if I wear red color,
Mm.
what happens is basically that's it, I look darker.
Mm.
But when I wear pink undertone, I look brighter. So
Yeah.
it's very important what type of color we use to brighten the skin and give life to the skin.
Rather than taking away.
Exactly.
Okay, so as soon as I got in, she applied numbing cream and the cream was applied to minimize any discomfort. It took about 20 to 30 minutes to take effect before we started. This is my before, and I know you're gonna say, why are you getting it done again? Why are you doing this? Your lips are already fine. But I don't know if you guys can tell, the top lip is not quite there yet for me. And although that line is genetic, that line that you see, the dark line on my bottom lip, I got that from my dad. Although that's genetic, I want to find the best way to try and get that color to match the overall color of my lips. Okay, so first things first, she starts off with one lip at a time and she reapplies some numbing cream because I was feeling extra sensitive this day. What Maya does is that she uses a fine tattooing device to implant the pigment onto my lips. It feels like a tiny scratch, not painful, but like I said, I was feeling very sensitive, so this day I felt it a little bit extra than I usually would, but it's definitely a little bit of a weird sensation. If you haven't had a tattoo before, it's a weird sensation, but if you've had a tattoo, it just feels like I feel like it's less painful than a tattoo, and especially because with getting tattoos done, I don't remember getting any numbing cream, I'm not gonna lie. So who is the perfect candidate for lip neutralization? I just want to make it clear and say I'm not forcing anyone to get this done. I personally had a problem with the way my lips looked, my own lips. However, if you are someone who has the following, then you would be a perfect candidate. So if you're someone who has naturally dark or uneven pigmented lips, if you are looking for like a low maintenance semi-permanent lip enhancement, if you have some sort of discoloration due to genetics like I do from scarring or smoking, or anyone who just wants a more uniform and balanced lip tone. So if you fall under any of those categories, then this would be perfect for you.
It's amazing. Oh. Wow.
The bottom lip is officially finished. Just look how perfect it looks. You need to make sure that you go to someone who's an expert when you go and get this treatment done. I'm someone who always recommend Maya through and through. Look at the juicy lips. Wow, I'm so happy with how they turned out. Wow, we are done with the treatment. This took just about an hour. I think just a little bit under an hour actually. And I'm so obsessed with my results. I genuinely love them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, is this something that you would get done? Have you thought about getting it done? Let me know in the comments below. Now it's time to apply some ointment. She also provides you with the ointment that you will be using for the next few weeks. You have to make sure that your lips are moisturized, and also you need to make sure to avoid spicy or hot foods, and also avoid drinking water the first 24 hours without a straw. If you want to drink water, you can with a straw, but yeah, for
What you do is you get yourself a baby wipe.
A baby wipe.
Let's see, where is it? Okay, this one. It's from Tesco.
Oh, yes, I'm familiar with that one.
Yes.
You had that last time.
Yes.
Yeah, you did.
Your Aftercare.
Nice.
Simply do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts. Like last time. I think you sent it to me on WhatsApp. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's officially been about 24 hours since I did my, nearly 24 hours since I did my lip neutralization. The instructions were not to drink for, I put the instructions on the screen, but basically she told me to avoid drinking, just drink through a straw for the first 3 days, keep my lips moisturized from day 1 to day 7, also avoid like hot baths, saunas, stuff like that. I'll put, like I said, everything here. And she also said in the first 24 hours I had to use a baby wipe to clean the lips and then apply the ointment. So I've been doing that for the first 24 hours. I got home pretty late, so I didn't actually manage to apply it a lot because I was flying back to Sweden as well. This is how my lips look. They look really good. They do feel a little bit dry, but I'm going to apply my ointment now and show you guys how that looks. So the ointment, this is the ointment that I'm using. So I apply this every day and make sure that my lips are hydrated and moisturized. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted with my updates and show you how my lips look throughout the days. This is 24 hours. I'll be back again tomorrow.
these are my results. So this was day 1 followed by day 5. And then this is how my lips look like today. Please ignore the red parts of my lips. I used a lip stain just a few hours ago and it's kind of coming off. But yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.